waffles like I do, then you need to try this PYY commercial waffle maker. Personally, I use some box-made waffle mix to make this a little bit easier. So I'm just using the mix, water, and some oil, and then I am ready to go make some delicious waffles. So today I am going to make both regular waffles as well as some chocolate chip waffles that I think my husband is going to love. So let's see how easy it is to make these waffles. This waffle maker is so easy to use. Just plug it in, switch it on, preheat the machine, pour your batter into the pan, adjust the time and the temperature, and then you'll have restaurant quality waffles in the comfort of your own home. This waffle maker uses 2,500 watts of power to heat the waffle maker quickly and make sure that there's a precise temperature control, double-sided uniform heating, with a thick circular heating tube so you get the perfect waffles. I love the fact that the steel waffle irons are non-stick and are resistant to corrosion and deformation. Their food-grade Teflon layer withstands high temperatures and prevents sticking, and they're super easy to clean. I love products that are super easy to use and easy to clean, and this waffle maker does not disappoint. Plus, they've thought of everything. They designed the spiral stainless steel handles of the waffle maker to displace heat so that when you use it, it's not hot to the touch. Plus, it's non-slip and easy to grip. They also created a detachable tray for collecting crumbs during baking, or as you can see, I kind of over poured on one of them and it caught that, which makes cleanup even easier. Plus, this set comes with everything that you need to make gourmet waffles. It comes with 2 of those trays I was telling you about, a food clip, the waffle iron itself, an egg beater, an oil brush, and a super handy user manual that should answer any questions that you may have. The waffles are going to be 16 millimeters thick, and it's recommended to pour the batter until it reaches 3/4 of those little indents that are inside the waffle maker. There's an intelligent temperature control knob, and it's displayed in Fahrenheit. So the temperature range is 122 Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. Personally, this is great for at-home use for me because I do have a very large family that loves to get together, especially for our cute little brunches. But I could also see this being used at cafes, hotels, restaurants, or cafeterias. But even though it says commercial, anyone can use this. Plus, because it's so easy to use, I mean almost anyone can use this waffle maker. See how easily everything is to turn on and off. It is so great. And again, it is non-stick and you can definitely tell. I did spray it with a little bit of oil just because that's my preference, but you do not need it. As you can see here, you just set it and forget it. Literally, it could not be easier. Then when the timer goes off, it's time for you to get your delicious waffles. So if you're looking for a high quality waffle maker, look no further. This has to be the one for you.